Hello boys and girls, my name is Angie. I am from Hope City Church and I'm here to help you make some Play-Doh, a great sensory experience. You will need your parents' help with this. And I thought, why would I take all the fun for myself? I decided to get my friend Kieran to join and help me make Play-Doh.
Hey Angie, I'm so excited.
I am too. How's it going, Kieran?
Very good. I feel like Ollie's excited too.
He is excited too. Welcome, Ollie. Okay, boys and girls, so this is what we're gonna do. We have a pan. This is my stove here.
Wow, you need a stove for this one?
I do. You do need a stove, so that's why it's very important that you have your parents to help. So the first thing you're gonna add is some warm water. It's 2 cups of warm water. You're just gonna gently pour that into the pan. Look at that water. Woo!
It's very nice.
It's very nice and bubbly. And then I have a pre-measured cup of salt. It's 1 cup of salt. We're gonna sprinkle that in there.
It's a lot more salt than I usually add to my ingredients.
You wouldn't want to use that much salt in your food, right, Kieran?
No.
It'd be very, very salty.
Be a little bit.
Yeah, it would taste gross.
So we're not supposed to use this.
No. Well, you know what? You can, but it's not going to taste very good. All right. So the next thing you're going to add is some cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is a fun little ingredient. It will make your Play-Doh nice and soft.
I've never heard of that before.
No, cream of tartar. You can use alum as well. So you do 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2. And the great thing about this Play-Doh is all done in 1 pot or 1 pan. I like to use a pan. So there you go.
Wow.
How's it going, Ollie? Oh, all right. And then you add 1 tablespoon of oil.
Okay. All right.
We're almost done here.
That's a lot of things in there. I don't know if I can follow that.
We're gonna mix that up a little bit.
Thankfully, you can check the description at the bottom and you'll have the whole recipe in there. So
There you go. Okay. Now, let's see. We're gonna add some food coloring. We have blue today.
Oh, that blue's a good
Some
color.
blue. Oh yeah. Lots
All
of
the
blue.
colors, blue's like one of the top colors, for sure.
Awesome. Let's mix that a little bit. There you go. Look at that beautiful blue
Look
color.
at ocean in there.
It
Wow.
is. Look at that. And then your last ingredient is flour.
Oh, that's not icing sugar?
It's not icing sugar, it is flour.
That will
And you-
explain why it wasn't very sweet when I tasted it earlier.
It's not sweet, it is very salty. You need 2 cups of flour. So 1 and 2.
Ta-da!
Okay.
So, Angie, I'm noticing it doesn't look like Play-Doh.
It does not look like Play-Doh. So you want to mix this up a little bit before you start putting the heat on,
Okay.
because once you add the heat, it's going to start thickening up.
And then it's going to look like Play-Doh.
It will look like
I
Play-Doh
get it.
eventually. So
Alright.
mix this up as much as you can until all the flour is gone. So until all the white stuff is all gone. Doesn't look quite like Play-Doh, like Kieran said. It's still very liquidy.
It looks like a weird cake.
It does. It sure does. So, but as you cook it, it will become nice and thick. And it will look like Play-Doh.
Wow. That is nice. Having Play-Doh that looks like Play-Doh, that's a very nice thing to have.
There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to put the heat on. Again, remember boys and girls, have your parents help you with this.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to do this on my own.
No. Okay, you're gonna mix it up. And then, once it starts heating, you will see that the dough is gonna cook right underneath. Oh, I can smell the heat. Can you smell the heat? So, does that look like Play-Doh? No, not yet. But it will. And Play-Doh, you will have so much fun for hours.
Wow, honestly, this is just giving me a whole bunch of ideas. I can make Play-Doh at my house.
You can?
Does it have to be blue Play-Doh?
No.
What?
We have lots of other colors right behind me. You see some colors there. There's yellow, there's red.
This is just the best.
You can mix colors together to see what kind of colors. New colors.
Incredible. So how long is this going to usually take?
About, I would say, 8 minutes to 10 minutes from beginning to end.
And then am I going to want to just keep mixing it up?
I would keep mixing because it's going to start to cook and you don't want it to really stick at the bottom. And it's good to use a non-stick pan.
Non-stick pan. Very good.
Oh, it's starting.
You don't want your food to taste like Play-Doh.
No, it would be super salty. Well, there it
So-
goes.
we're gonna take a little bit of time and we're gonna cut to the end because we're gonna speed through this process so you can see what it looks like at the end. So stay tuned for that. In 3, 2, 1. And we're back!
We are back, and as you can see, the Play-Doh is all starting to form together.
I will say that looks a lot more like Play-Doh than what it did before.
It sure does. Now when you're playing with Play-Doh, just make sure, so it can last a long time for you, is wash your hands before you play and wash your hands after you play. So I just go in and feel it to make sure all the stickiness is gone. It looks like all the stickiness is gone. So once that's done, I'm going to turn off my oven. So this is all cooked.
Oh, look at that. Fully cooked Play-Doh. Fun fact.
Now it's going to be a little warm.
Oh.
Got I'm on my counter over here. Karen, you can touch it, you can mix it. Go for it.
All right.
It's going to be warm.
Oh, it is. It's like a nice little warm thing of bread, but like much mushier.
So now you're going to knead it a little bit. I love Play-Doh. Look it.
Great.
It doesn't stick to your hands. It's blue. And you just mix it around.
And that's how you make blue Play-Doh, right? Just blue Play-Doh.
Just blue Play-Doh. Again, you can change the colors up if you want.
That's right. You can make it.
You can. So this is our
Wow.
way to make the best Play-Doh in the world. There you go.
And it's the best Play-Doh because you can make it at home.
What do you think, Ollie?
Oh, hold up. What's that? What's that? One more time.
Ollie has something to say.
Ollie's loving the Play-Doh. He thinks this is the best thing. That's all for you, Ollie.
You can make snakes, which is something popular. You can use all kinds of stuff around the house to make imprints. Look, I even have this cat. Woo! Make an imprint.
Oh, that's clever.
Look at that.
You can make little shapes and stuff like that.
Totally.
Oh, this is awesome.
There's so many things you can do with Play-Doh. Look around your house, look in your mom's kitchen and the drawers, and find all kinds of things that you can make with Play-Doh. Or there's also the Play-Doh shapes that you can do.
Of course, right.
So that's it, boys and girls. I hope you had fun.
I think so.
Happy Play-Doh making.
Happy Play-Doh.
See you soon.
Whoa.